When writing a lowercase letter in cursive style, always start on the bottom line. To write P, go up, then back down, bounce up again and round, then go back along the letter to add a short tail. Let's see how it looks in a word. Pie is written like this. Pipe is written like this. Capital letters always start at the top. To write capital P, draw a line down, then from the top make a half circle. The word pie with capital P is written like this. Capital letters never join with the rest of the word.